Hi, I'm Chad Gebhardt, Product Manager for Digital Signage at Peerless-AV. Today I have in front of me our DS-VW765 LAN full service video wall mount. You can see we've added a keyhole slot to the top center of the mount. We've also added this feature to our full lineup of 765 video wall mounts, as well as the world's thinnest full service video wall mount, the 755S. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to lay out a video wall that's going to save you time and money. Here's how we're going to do it. We're going to install a 3x3 video wall on the wall next to me here using the NEC X464UN display. The first thing we want to do is locate that bottom left mount. There's two ways we can do that. First, we can use the Peerless-AV installation app. All you need to do is type in the display dimensions, how far you want the display up from the floor, and how far over from the wall, and the app will tell you the exact location of that keyhole slot. The other way to do it is to run the calculations yourself, like I've done on the example next to me here. Once we've found that point on the wall, we can then plot out the 8 other points where the mounts will hang. To do that, today we're going to use a laser level. I think that's the fastest and easiest way to do it. I've also done it with a chalk string and a 4-foot level. So let's go ahead and get started. So there you have it. 3x3 video wall, simple installation. Thank you to NEC for lending us the X464UN displays today. And for more information, please visit us at www.peerless-av.com.
All right.
Thanks,
Nice.
man. Yeah, that was like...